So hey guys, in this video we'll talk about how you can solve the media upload problem. So friends, for this open your browser and in the browser simply search Snapchat media upload Aditya Gyan. Like guys, I am searching same search this and simply tap on the search option, and friends, here tap in the first website. Snapchat media upload problem, 100% fixed media upload showing on Snapchat. Tap on the first website, and friends, here scroll down your page and you will get to see a option of download the Snapchat app before the media upload problem. So friends, simply tap on the Snapchat app option and download the Snapchat previous month application. And friends, by using previous month application, your media upload problem will be resolved. And guys, many people also have the doubt whether they would not be able to see the media update if their friend's Snapchat is updated. So guys, this largely depends on their Android version and application, because many devices have not received the media upload update. Besides, this update is quite good for privacy because it lets you know whether your friend has sent you a snap from the gallery or from the real camera. Additionally, if you have any doubt or question, you can ask me in the comments.